getting your office stuff under control. So let me try to give you an example of how awesome the Google Drive is. Okay, you go in, it's House of Funk, and then it's admin or clients. Within admin, it's PR, HR, some of the big initiatives we're working on, accounting, portfolio,
like
whole intern folder,
processes.
Yeah, our whole handbook and our employee processes, the whole thing. So all these different areas, and then they just dig in and dig in and dig in. And then on the client side, my jam, where I hang out most of the time, every client has a folder. Within that, it's admin, CAD, and Pix. Okay, so admin is their design agreement, their meeting notes from every meeting get typed up and put in there by date, paint plans, finish schedules if it's a renovation, like we'll do a plumbing schedule, we'll do a lighting schedule, we'll do a reflective ceiling plan, with whatever. All that stuff goes into admin. In CAD, there's a PDF section, so every time we PDF a set, we save it there so we can track changes over the course of time. We can also relate those changes back to meeting notes that the client initiated changes. And then we're into Pix. So under the Pix tab, it's all the rooms. So it starts to look a lot like our binders, right? Under Pix, so it'll be foyer, living room, dining room, kitchen, da 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 da. And it's the before pictures, and then a lot of times it's inspiration images will be put in there, and then sometimes shopping stuff will be put in there. It doesn't have to be because it all is online, but if you're downloading something, it's the right place to stick it by room right there too. Yeah. We do like, when we do download it anyway, it's nice to just drag it in there because later it's really fun, PR-wise, to break down a room and show the individual elements that, like, sometimes you do shop this room stuff.
Yeah.
It's really fun to see the final picture and have a swipe and see all the elements. And so if I'm already downloading them because I'm adding them to a proposal, if I save it there, it makes everyone's life easier after we photograph when we're doing like the breakdown backwards. So we've realized all those little bits and bobs, they have to go back to the website, re-download the image, da da da. It is helpful to have it.